Michael Burry, renowned for predicting the 2008 financial crisis, is sounding the alarm again. With his recent strategic shifts towards Chinese investments and away from U.S. markets, Burry's insights could have significant implications for investors. This video explores his reasoning and what it means for your investment strategy. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. Introduction to Market Trends. Understanding market trends is crucial for any investor. Trends can indicate where the market is heading and help investors make informed decisions. Recently, the stock market has shown signs of volatility. Many investors are feeling optimistic, but caution is warranted. Market trends can be influenced by various factors. Economic indicators, geopolitical events, and company performance all play a role. Investors must stay updated on these elements to navigate the complex market landscape. Current trends suggest a divergence in market performance. While some sectors thrive, others face challenges. This creates opportunities and risks for investors. Recognizing these trends is essential for successful investing. Who is Michael Burry? Michael Burry is a well-known name in the finance world. He became famous for predicting the financial crisis in 2008. This has earned him a reputation as a contrarian investor, someone who isn't afraid to take a different path from everyone else. Burry founded Scion Capital, a hedge fund that focused on value investing. He is known for his data-driven approach, often going against popular opinion. This willingness to challenge the status quo sets him apart from many investors. His story was popularized in the book and film The Big Short. In it, he demonstrated how he identified flaws in the housing market. His success has made him a respected figure in the investment community. Michael Burry's investment strategy. Burry's investment strategy is rooted in thorough analysis. He relies on data to identify undervalued assets. This method often leads him to opportunities others overlook. His recent shift to Chinese markets highlights this approach. Burry believes these markets offer significant growth potential. He has increased his investments in companies like JD.com and Alibaba. Moreover, Burry's strategy includes exiting overvalued U.S. markets. He has sold off substantial positions in U.S. stocks. This decisive action reflects his belief in the need for a portfolio recalibration. Understanding the buffet indicator. The buffet indicator is a critical measure for investors. It compares the total value of the U.S. stock market to the country's GDP. This ratio provides insights into market valuation. Currently, the buffet indicator stands at an alarming 208%. This level is higher than during the dot-com bubble and the 2008 crisis. Such overvaluation raises concerns about market sustainability. Investors should heed this warning. The indicator suggests that the market may be due for a correction. Understanding this metric can help investors make informed decisions about their portfolios. Impact of rising interest rates. Rising interest rates have a profound effect on the economy. The Federal Reserve's recent rate hikes mark the most significant tightening in decades. This shift impacts borrowing costs for individuals and corporations alike. Higher rates make debt more expensive. Companies that relied on cheap loans face refinancing challenges. This situation could lead to increased defaults and financial instability. Furthermore, rising rates can dampen consumer spending. As loans become pricier, households may cut back on expenses. This in turn affects business revenues and overall economic growth. Investors must consider these dynamics. The interplay between interest rates and market performance is crucial for investment strategies. Exploring international opportunities. Investing in international markets presents unique opportunities. Michael Burry's pivot to China exemplifies this potential. As he identifies undervalued assets, investors can consider diversifying their portfolios beyond domestic boundaries. China in particular offers a landscape rich with prospects. Despite ongoing geopolitical tensions, many Chinese companies remain undervalued relative to their U.S. counterparts. This creates a compelling case for investors seeking growth. Additionally, China's economic recovery plans provide further incentive. The government's commitment to stimulus measures aims to stimulate growth. This proactive approach can enhance the performance of investments in the region. Investors should also consider other emerging markets. Countries like India and Southeast Asian nations are becoming increasingly attractive. These markets often feature high growth rates and expanding middle classes. However, it is crucial to conduct thorough research. Understanding the local economic conditions and regulatory landscapes is essential. This knowledge can help mitigate risks associated with international investments. For those interested in learning more about investing, I've had a positive experience with Interactive Brokers. The link to their platform is in the first link of the video description. Key considerations for international investing. Regulatory environment. Be aware of the regulatory frameworks in foreign markets. Changes in policies can impact investments significantly. Market research. Conduct detailed research on potential investments. Understanding industry trends and consumer behavior is vital. Currency fluctuations. Monitor currency exchange rates. Changes can affect returns for foreign investors. Geopolitical risks. Stay informed about geopolitical developments. Tensions can lead to market volatility. Analyzing risks and rewards. Investing always involves weighing risks against potential rewards. Burry's strategy highlights the importance of this balance. While he sees value in Chinese stocks, there are inherent risks that investors must acknowledge. Regulatory uncertainty remains a significant concern. The Chinese government has shown a willingness to impose strict regulations. This unpredictability can create volatility in the market. Furthermore, geopolitical tensions can lead to swift changes in market dynamics. Trade disputes and sanctions can impact the performance of companies operating in these environments. However, the potential rewards can be substantial. Burry's investments in JD.com and Alibaba indicate his belief in their growth potential. These companies offer attractive valuations compared to their U.S. peers. Investors should remain vigilant. Assessing the risk-reward ratio is crucial to making informed decisions. Diversification can help balance exposure and mitigate risks. Understanding the risk-reward spectrum. High reward, high risk. Investing in emerging markets often falls into this category. While the potential for significant returns exists, so do substantial risks. Moderate reward, moderate risk. Established companies in stable markets may offer a balanced approach. These investments typically come with lower volatility. Low reward, low risk. Government bonds or similar assets tend to provide stable returns with minimal risk. However, the potential for growth is limited. The importance of diversification. Diversification remains a cornerstone of sound investment strategy. It helps mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations. Burry's shift to international markets underscores the need for a diversified portfolio. Investors should consider various asset classes. This includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. By spreading investments across different sectors, investors can reduce overall risk. Additionally, geographic diversification can enhance returns. Investing in foreign markets can provide exposure to different economic cycles. This approach can help buffer against domestic market downturns. However, diversification does not mean indiscriminate investing. Each investment should align with individual risk tolerance and financial goals. Careful selection is key to successful diversification. Strategies for effective diversification. Asset allocation. Determine the right mix of asset classes based on risk tolerance. Geographic distribution. Invest in a mix of domestic and international markets. Sector variety. Include a variety of sectors in the portfolio to guard against industry-specific downturns. Regular rebalancing. Periodically review and adjust the portfolio to maintain desired asset allocation. Conclusion and key takeaways. Here are the key points to keep in mind about the current market. 1. Be cautious. The U.S. stock market is pretty pricey right now, so it's a good idea to take a close look at your investment options. 2. Look overseas. Considering investments in international markets could open up new chances for growth. 3. Think carefully. Take the time to think through your investment strategies. It's important to base your decisions on solid data, especially when the market is unpredictable. 4. Question trends. Insights from experts like Burry remind us to not just follow what others are doing, but to focus on long-term value instead. 5. Stay flexible. The economy is changing quickly, so it's crucial to be adaptable and make informed choices. In short, don't just follow the crowd. Do your research and make sure your choices are well thought out. I've been using interactive brokers for my own investments, and I've found their platform to be quite helpful. The link is in the first link of the video description if you're interested in exploring further.